Welcome to another video by Team Adcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing about how we can access CBSE previous year question papers along with our answer key. For anyone, those who are studying for class 10 as well as class plus 2, in order to get a very good score in your board examination, most important thing you want to do is you have to practice with the previous year question papers. For example, I'm just taking an example of class 12 PCMP or PCMC student. For example, their majors are physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. For them, they have to be having a very good familiarity with what is the type of question that is asked by the CBSE and how the answers to be written. So when you're considering or when you're comparing with the CBSE answer key and the student's answer script, there is no relation. Why? Because now people are not getting practiced with how to write in an examination. For example, you are supposed to write the key points or whatever it may be the things that is asked in your question. That is that you are supposed to answer. So you have to practice it. For example, whenever you're considering a one particular year CBSE question paper, let it be for mathematics. For example, for 1 year, they will be providing 6 different sets of question paper. For that 6 different set of question paper, this 6 different answer keys is also available in the official website. You can download it, you can practice it, and you can make use of it. So I will tell you how to download it and how to use it. For example, you can go to the CBSE website. You can just click CBSE previous year question paper, class 12, whatever may be the class you can select. Here you can get question paper for 2026. You can get it for compartment examination. You can get it for 2024, 2023, 22. From 22 onwards, you can get the question paper. For example, just click. You can select class 10 or class 12. Select it. You can go for that particular subject. You can download it. Similarly, you can get it for CPSE previous year answer key. Then you will get be marking scheme. Whatever the question paper you have selected, assume that you have selected for let it be for biology or mathematics or whatever it may be. You can download the corresponding file also. So how it would be? It would be like a zip file. Here you can see that like a mathematics. This is like a 2025 mathematics question paper. Different sets of mathematics question paper are there. You can just check. This is 65 1/1. That is the question paper code. The corresponding answer key file will also be there. So you can just download and make use of it. For example, one will be the math. Like what I can say, if I open it, okay, here you can see. This is mathematics. This is the question paper file. That is, you have to take 65 1/1. So this is the code. So this you can open up. So this is the answer key, corresponding answer key. Similarly, you can from the what I can say question paper file, you can download open up the question paper file also. So if I go, so this is question paper file. So the same code you have to open 65 1/1. So you can open it up. So for example, I will be taking one question as a reference question, how to use it and how to compare it. If you take let it be, let it be question number 21. Differentiate 2 cos square x with respect to cos x, which is this question paper code. This is 65 1/1. So you can take the corresponding answer key also, 21 the question, 21st question. They have given the question and they have given the answers also. See, if you have these steps, this substitution step, these things are there, you will be getting the complete 2 marks. This is the way in which answers are evaluated. So what you need, you have to practice this question. You have to compare with the answer key, whether all these steps that is mentioned in the answer key is there also, there in your paper also, because by practicing that you will be getting a habit of writing the answer with respect to the answer keys that is given by the CPSE. This would be completely useful for all the students, those who are writing for board examination in class 11 and class 12. Please start practicing this from your beginning itself. All the very best for examinations. We hope that our videos are useful to you. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.